Hello, good morning student. Today my video of class 7 mathematics. We will continue the exercise 3 decimals. In my first video, I have solved question number 1 to 3rd of exercise 3D. Okay. Now today we will start from question number 4, that is also belongs to divide. Now look at the first question here. 12 by 8. What we have to divide? We have divided 12 by 8. So here 8 is divisor and 12 is dividend. Now one time 8 ones are 8. What remains students here? 4. Keep a decimal here. 40. 8 5s are 40. So when 12 divided by 8, the result will be 1.5. Okay students. Now look at the question number. All questions are same here. Look at one more question. Question number 5. 31 by 40. 31 by 40. So here 40 is divisor and 31 is dividend. Now as you know, 31 is less than 40. Means dividend is less than divisor. For that we have to first put a decimal here. Now the number is 310 with 47 times. 47 are 280. Now what remains here? 30. Again with the help of this decimal we can put a 0 here. Now again 47 are 280. Now what remains here? 20. With the help of this decimal again we take a 0 here. Now 45 are 200. So when 31 divided by 40, the result will be 0.775. 0.775. Again look here. As we know, 31 will be not divided by 45 because 31 is less than, here the dividend is less than divisor. So for that we take a decimal here. When we take a decimal, 1 0 comes here. Now 47 are 280. What remains here? 30. Now we divide 40 with 7 times 280. Again 20 comes remainder here. With the help of this decimal, again we put a 0 here. Now 45 are 200. So the result will be 0.0775. Now look at question number 5. In question number 5. Now in question number 5, here it is also divide. Look at the first question here. What we have to divide? 43.2 by 6. Now 6 we take as divisor and 43.2 we have taken as dividend. Now we 6 how many times? 7 times. 6 7 is 42. What remains here students? 1. Now when we are taking the digit after decimal, we put a decimal here. What comes here? 2. 6 2 is 12. So 143.2 is divided by 6. The result will be 7.2. Okay, very simple students. It's very simple to divide of decimals. Now look one more question here. Question number 8. 0.768 by 16. 0.768 by 16. Now look at students here. First we take 16 as divisor. Now 0.768. Now before decimal here there is no digit. Before decimal there is no digit. So we have to take the digit after decimal. So first we put here decimal here. Now can we first after decimal the first digit is divisible with by 16? No. The first digit is not divisible by 16. So we have to take two digits at a time. For that we have to place a 0 here. Now 76 is divisible by 16. So 16 4s are 64. Now what remains here? 12. What we take from here? 8. Now 16 8s are 128. So when 0.768 divided by 16, the result will be 0.048. Very simple. Look one more example here. Example number 14. 1.001 by 14. Here 14 we have to take as divisor and 1.001 we have to take as dividend. Okay students. Now, after decimal is the first, before decimal 1 is present here, but 1 is not divided by 14. So after decimal we first digit, take first digit. Now what digit comes here? So when we are taking the digit after decimal, first we have to place a decimal here. Now what the number forms here? 10. 10 is also not divided by 14. Now again we have to take one more digit after the decimal. So we place first a 0 here. 100. Now 14 7 ja 98. Now what remains here? 2. Again 41. 14 1 ja 14. Now what remains here? 7. With the help of this decimal we can place a 0 here. 14 5 ja 70. So when 1.001 divided by 14, the result will be 0.0715. Okay students, now move on next question, question number 6. But before we have to clean it. So look here. Now question number 6 here, divide. Again we have to divide. The first question student here, 16.46 by 20. What we have to divide student here? 16.46 by 20. So we will take 20 as divisor and 16.46 as dividend. Now is the number before the decimal 16 is divisible by 20? No, it is less than 20. So we have to take here the digit after decimal also to make a number 164 so that it can divide by the 20. So when we are taking the digit after decimal, first we have to put the decimal here. If we are taking any digit after decimal, so first we have to put the decimal here. Now what number forms here? 164. So first 20 is divided by 8 times 160 as common divide. Now what remains here? 4. What we will take from here? 6. 20 2s are 2 times here. 20 2s are 40. Now what remains here students? 6. Already we have given a decimal here. So with the decimal we can take each time 1 0. So take a 0 here. 60. Now 23 is 60. So students, 16.46 when divided by 20, the result will be 0.823. If there are no digit before the decimal, we will have to put a 0 by ourselves. Okay. Now look one more question of this side of the same. Question number 6. In question number 6, it is given that 18.08 we have to divided by 400. Divided by, it's 400. Okay. 18.08 we have to divide with 400. For that we have to write here 400 first and 18.08. Now what is the digit before the decimal here? 18. As we know 18 is less than 400, so we have to take here the digit after decimal also. Now after decimal, what is the first digit? 0. Now the 3 digits make the number 180. 180 is also. So when we are taking the digit after decimal, first we have to place the decimal here. Now if we take the 1 digit after the decimal, then the number forms here 180. But 180 is also less than 400. 180 is also less than 400. So 180 is also not divided by 400. So we have to take one more digit. So when we are taking 2 digit, we have to place 1 0 here. Now we are taking 0 and 8 both. So what digit forms from 1808? The digit forms here, the number forms here 1808. Now 1808 is more than 400, so we divide it by 4 times. 400 4 the 1600. Now what remains here? 208. Okay student. Now is 208 is divided by 400? No. So with the help of this decimal we have taken 0 here. Now with 400, 5 times 2000. Now what remains here? 80. With the help of this decimal again we take a 0. Now 400 2 ja 800. Okay student. So when 18.08 divided by 400, the result will be 0.0452. In the same way, you have to solve the rest questions of question number 6. Okay students, in my next video we will discuss the next question, question number 7, and all other questions related to this exercise. Okay, so with the help of this video you can solve from question number 4 to 6 of exercise 3D. Thank you students.